Hello guys, welcome to the Parrot Puzzler. Hope you're well and had a good week. It's the 25th of May. No, it's not the 25th of May. It's the 21st of May. Aye. 25th of May would be 7 months to Christmas. There's something to think about. Anyway, it's the 21st of May. How the devil are we? We've had actually a decent week of weather this week. All the baskets are up. Did they put them up last week? I can't remember. Anyway, all the watering system is all in now, ready to go. All the pot plants are potted up, ready for the summer. It's looking good. Vegetables are planted. I put some decking down at home. It's beginning to feel like summer, and there's no rain on the forecast for the next 2 weeks. Happy days. So what better place to come and enjoy a beer garden, right? The Parrot or the Dolphin, of course, in Thorpeness. If you're busy by the coast, pop into the Dolphin. But things are getting busy, so make sure you book your tables. But you're here for the quiz, the Parrot Puzzler, 20 questions. We do this every week. Let's jump into it. Question 1, in darts, how much is the outer ring of the bullseye worth? Question 2, which car manufacturer makes the Punto? Question 3, which letter is on the bottom right of a standard keyboard? Question 4, in Kids TV, where does Noddy live? Question 5, which phone company made the flip phone, the Razor, in the early noughties or in the noughties? Question 6, what kind of tax does a company pay if they show profit at the end of a year? Question 7, what is the fifth planet from the Sun? Question 8, Jackson Pollock was an artist from which country? Question 9, the River Nile flows into which sea? Question 10, Krakow is a city in which country? Question 11, generally, what colour are Lego minifigures? I have many. Thousands. Question 12, who is the author of the Twilight book series? Question 13, in Champagne, what does the word brute mean? There's an aftershave called Brute as well, isn't there? I wonder if it means the same thing. Question 14, Manchester City and which other club are in the FA Cup final next month? Question 15, Excel, PowerPoint and Publisher are programs owned by which company? Question 16, which boy's name is often seen on the front of a fire engine? Question 17, who was confirmed last week as the new presenter of Gladiators, the new series of Gladiators? Question 18, in the phonetic alphabet, which word represents the letter L? Question 19, cayenne is a spice made with what? And question 20, what is the closest prime number to 100? That's it. That's done. Happy days. Whilst you're here on YouTube, remember, hit that subscribe button, please, guys. Share with your friends, play along, have fun, do good things, and leave your scores and comments below. Also, you can listen to the Parrot Puzzler on ABC Radio here on the Suffolk coast every Sunday morning on the breakfast show. I'm there with another 20 questions. I'll be honest, the 20 questions on the radio are 20 questions that you've had before from this. It might have been from 2 years ago, but 20 questions nonetheless that you've had before. So you should get them right. Anyway, Also, actually, we have a quiz here. So I picked the date for the next quiz, the 18th of June, I think it is. Let me just check on my calendar on the computer quickly. I think I might have made that up. 14th of June. Wednesday, the 14th of June. So we've got a quiz here in the Outside Inn. Obviously, supper first, like we normally do. We've got some braised chicken thighs with some roasted vegetables and some couscous. Wednesday, the 14th of June. Teams of 6 or fewer. You can book your spot. Give us a call. We'll get you booked in. You are the first people to know about it. Get in early. Okay, let's crack on. Let's get rid of that calendar. Let's find out the answers, see how well you've done. Question 1. In darts, how much is the outer ring of the bullseye worth? My phone keeps beeping. I apologise. It's 25. Question 2. Which car manufacturer makes the Punto? It's Fiat. Question 3. Which letter is on the bottom right of a standard keyboard? It's M for mother. Question 4. In Kids TV, where does Noddy live? He lives in Toyland. Question 5. Which phone company made the flip phone the Razor in the noughties? It was Motorola. Question 6. What kind of tax does a company pay if they show profit at the end of the year? It's corporation tax. It's a killer. Question 7. What is the 5th planet from the sun? It's Jupiter. Question 8. Jackson Pollock was an artist from which country? America. Question 9. The River Nile flows into which sea? It's the Mediterranean. Question 10. Krakow is a city in which country? It's Poland. Question 11. Generally, what colour are Lego minifigures? Yellow. Question 12. Who is the author of the Twilight book series? It's Stephanie Meyer or Meyer. Let's go Meyer. Question 13. In Champagne, what does the word brut mean? It means dry. Question 14. Manchester City and which other club are in the FA Cup final next month? It's Manchester United. Question 15. Excel, PowerPoint and Publisher are programs all owned by which company? It's Microsoft. Question 16. Which boy's name is often seen on the front of a fire engine? It's Dennis. Question 17. Who was confirmed last week as a new presenter of Gladiators? So it's a duo, it's father-son duo, Bradley Walsh and his son Barney. Bit random. Question 18. In the phonetic alphabet, which word represents the letter L? It's Lima. Question 19. Cayenne is a spice made with what? It's chili or pepper. And question 20. What is the closest prime number to 100? It's 101. Some might have put 97 because that's the lowest below 100. But I guess closest to 100 is 101. That's it, guys. That's your 20 questions, all done for another week. Happy days. In record time, maybe. Anyway, that's it. If you want to book in for the quiz here on the 14th of June, give us a call and we'll get you booked in. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. Thanks very much, guys. Goodbye.